If you want to sell more things on the internet, you need landing pages and you need funnels. In this episode, we are going to be talking about the best landing page and the best funnel building software so you can choose the best one for your business. Now, we all know something, that when we build a website, the sole focus of that website is to drive business results, to get somebody to sign up for something, to join our list, to book a phone call, or just to inquire about our services. We all understand that. But there are a few things that lead to the downfall of a website, such as too many distractions, too much information, and no real focus on where the customer is going in their journey. The job of a landing page, the job of your funnel, is to drive people or to funnel people through a specific series of steps in order to get them to take the action that we want them to take. When it comes to creating that experience, that journey for the customer, yes, we can do that on the website. Yes, we can build a website that does that. But typically, for the majority of business owners, we don't have the time to learn design or to learn code. I know myself, when I've tried to build funnels on websites, it takes me forever. And so I want a tool that can allow me to do it quick and fast. Because when it comes to funnels, the name of the game is being able to test and try things, see what works and what doesn't work. Your landing page and your funnel building software should offer three things. First of all, it should have a very easy drag and drop software so you can just build a page super fast without knowing how to design, without any coding knowledge. You can just drag an image there, drag a title there, change the text color here, making it very quick and simple. Second of all, it should be able to integrate with your CRM, your sales system, or your email marketing tool so that you're able to follow up with the leads that sign up for the thing that you're getting them to sign up for. And thirdly, it should have good analytics so you can track whether your landing page and your funnel are actually performing or are they not. Are people converting? Are people leaving? What are they doing? We want to be able to find these things out when we build our funnels. There are 4 pieces of software that I'd recommend when it comes to funnel building and landing page software. In no particular order, they are Instapage, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, and Unbounce. And what I'm going to do is walk you through each one, the pros and cons, and talk a little bit about the pricing so you can make the best decision. First of all, we have Instapage, which is a very simple and easy to use tool that allows you to have the drag and drop features without understanding coding, without understanding all the development. Instapage, to be honest, just offers all of the things that you would come to expect from a landing page software. Instapage actually go a little bit further than just being a piece of landing page software. They actually go further and they say that they provide everything that you need to turn clicks into high value customers. And they do this through their post-click automation. So that essentially means that they do things such as dynamic landing pages. So the landing page text and copy will change based on the user that's visiting that landing page, which is quite complex stuff, but I think they make it quite simple to do. They actually say that 96% of ads don't convert because the person that is running the ads are sending people to a generic landing page that is made for everyone. Whereas people that are clicking on ads need to have a landing page specific to them, which is actually a really interesting point because when it comes to advertising, we do tailor our ads based on the people that we're targeting, but very rarely do we change and dynamically change and add and improve the landing pages based on who we're targeting. In fact, Instapage even go to say that their customers on average get 16% better conversion rates than the industry average, which, if that is true, is something that has to be commended. Okay, so let's talk about the pros of Instapage. Well, first and foremost, they have heat mapping, which is one of the only landing page software that offers heat mapping. So we can see how are people engaging and interacting with the software. Next, it's very easy to use. Thirdly, it's got a very clean feel to it, and it's very easy to build a really sharp, nice looking landing page. Because what I found with some of the landing page software is that you can build a landing page easy, but it doesn't look very nice. Whereas Instapage seem to have the easiness and the sharp looking landing page locked down. And according to GetApp, you've got 92% positive reviews for Instapage, which is very good. And now the cons of Instapage. Well, one of the things that kept coming out was people were saying that they were finding it difficult to make mobile optimized landing pages on Instapage. Now that's something that's very, very important when it comes to creating a landing page. It needs to work on desktop and mobile. So if it's hard on Instapage to do that, that's definitely a drawback. Another con was people were saying that the scripts, so the time it takes for the landing page to come up once you've clicked on it, was too slow. So the landing pages were slow. And if that is the case, that definitely negatively impacts the conversion rate of the landing pages. And thirdly, people were saying that they were getting bad customer support from Instapage. So if people are getting bad support, if you're stuck as you're building your landing page, that's not very useful. So there we have it. That is Instapage. You can grab that for $199 per month, and they offer a 14-day free trial. Next up, we have Lead Pages. Now, Lead Pages has to be one of my favorite pieces of landing page software, and it's one that I've used a lot over the years. And I think one of my favorite things about it is just the ease of use. It's very, very simple to create a landing page in Lead Pages and get all the analytics and the drag and drop which you need. It also is one of the cheapest, coming in at just $37 per month for the cheapest package. If you are a coach, a consultant, someone that's maybe starting off in business, building their first landing page, maybe to give away a free guide, then I think Lead Pages is probably the option for you. Now, Lead Pages comes with a lot of templates out of the box. So if you're looking to build campaigns for your ads, you've maybe got free guides that you want to give away, or you're simply just wanting to create simple capture pages with a name and an email address, then Lead Pages comes with mobile responsive templates there out of the box. And a good thing about Lead Pages is it does offer kind of two types of templates. You've got one type of template which you can't really edit. So if you don't even want to do the drag and drop, maybe you're not techie at all, then you can use those. And then it does offer a more complex drag and drop template for you to go and edit if you are slightly more technically inclined, shall we say. Lead Pages definitely offers that kind of full package. We are very good at one thing landing page type idea. So let's get into the pros and the cons of Lead Pages, because I feel like I'm very positive towards them. First and foremost, it's very, very easy to use. It's simple drag and drop, like I say, or you've also got that option for no drag and drop and simply just change the text and the images that are already there on the templates. One thing that does seem to set Lead Pages apart from the rest is the fact that they've got a very supportive and responsive support team. So if you have any problems with your landing pages, Lead Pages and their support team will help you out with that. And finally, it goes without saying, if it's easy to use, there's virtually no learning time required. You don't need to learn how to use Lead Pages. It's just very intuitive. When you get in there, you sign up for it, you'll be able to build a landing page pretty quickly. Now, interestingly, Lead Pages gets a 90% positive rating on GetApp versus Instapage, which had 92%. So although I'm saying this about Lead Pages, actually Instapage has a better positive review rating. Now, some of the cons of Lead Pages, well, on the basic plan with Lead Pages, you don't get some of the features that you might want, such as A/B testing. A/B testing is where we run two different landing pages together to see which one works. It can be a very, very powerful thing, something that I almost always say we want to do when we build a funnel, and unfortunately you don't get that on the $37 per month plan. And although one of the pros that I said was that some of the templates that you get are not very easy to edit, as in they don't allow you to edit, I said that's a pro because it's very easy for people that aren't very techie. But it can also be a con, because if you like the look of a template and you want to use it, but you just want to make minor tweaks, sometimes you can't do that and you're stuck with the Lead Pages template, which can't always be the best thing. So that's definitely a con if you're someone like me that's a little bit more techie and wants to have more freedom with some of the editing. Like I say, that comes in at $37 per month, and it's going to give you pretty much everything you need to build a basic landing page and thank you page, so a very basic funnel. But if you're wanting sales integration and you want to actually make sales through your funnel, you're going to have to pay for the $97 per month package to get those features. The third tool is ClickFunnels. So now ClickFunnels, very much similar to all the other pieces of software, allows you to build funnels, allows you to build your landing pages. But one thing ClickFunnels does differentiate from the others is it's more than just landing pages and funnels. ClickFunnels allows you to create everything from basic landing pages, thank you pages, all the way to webinar funnels, to free book funnels, to video sales letters, it allows you to host and create your own courses all within the one platform. So more than just being, a landing page software, it's actually also a selling platform too. So you can set up your checkouts, you can set up your add to carts and all those great things in ClickFunnels too. So if you're looking to sell a product, then ClickFunnels might be a better option for you. Now we can get into the pros and the cons of ClickFunnels just now too. Some of the pros of ClickFunnels were, firstly, it is so easy to use. I find it's one of the easiest tools out there to use, just drag and drop, and it's very easy as well to design the mobile site and the desktop site for any of your landing pages and funnels. So you can, if something doesn't look quite right on the mobile site, you can change the size, but it'll still say the same on the desktop, which is great because of course when we're sending traffic to our websites, some of it's going to be mobile, some of it is going to be desktop, so we need to make sure that those are right. Second of all, it's actually very good for building out larger sales funnels where you're perhaps asking for money and trying to sell something. When you look at the likes of lead pages, that's really not the best tool when you're looking at building, multi-step funnels where you've got application forms, checkout pages, webinars. It's not the best for that. Whereas ClickFunnels, you can have all those things in the one place, and they offer you templates and they offer you guides on how to create all of these different funnels. Again, making it much easier. And another thing I like about ClickFunnels is the split testing feature. So it's very easy when you create a landing page to create a split test, meaning we can test one landing page against the other to see which one gets the best conversion rate. Now, on GetApp, ClickFunnels get a 90% positive review rating. So again, very high. Looking at some of the cons of ClickFunnels, one thing I've found is it can feel quite clunky, and sometimes the tech doesn't work as well as it should. So maybe things won't work, or you'll try moving, one of the drag and drop features to one part of the page and it won't actually move. So it can feel quite clunky, and some of the software around, the webinar and some of the software around the membership part of ClickFunnels doesn't always work to 100%, which leads me on to the second con of ClickFunnels, which is the support is not very good either. So when you're asking for support for ClickFunnels, initially you don't actually go to support team at ClickFunnels. You don't initially go to someone that works at ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels actually pay ClickFunnels users to be the support. And so if you're looking to get quick advice, oftentimes it takes a long time for your support to actually go to someone in ClickFunnels to get that support you need. So the support on ClickFunnels is never that great. Now, ClickFunnels has two different pricing packages, one starting at $97 per month and one at $297 per month. Both come with a 14-day free trial, and the main differentiating point is when you go for the $297, you get what ClickFunnels call follow-up funnels, which means you essentially get an add-on with email marketing services and other services included. Now, if you're just looking to build your funnel and you already use maybe ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit for your email marketing, then all you're going to need is $97 per month. That's essentially going to give you everything you need. You can build up to 100 pages and up to 20 funnels with that price. The fourth tool that I'm going to be talking about is Unbounce. Now, Unbounce call themselves the leading landing page platform, and essentially exactly the same as the other ones. It allows you to easily create landing pages and easily create funnels in their tool. Now, they also claim to be one of Canada's fastest growing tech companies, having powered over 650 million conversions to date, serving more than 15,000 customers worldwide, including the New York Times, the Red Cross, World Vision, and Hootsuite. So they've got the numbers to back up their claims. Some of the pros around Unbounce is it's a simple drag and drop feature. They've got over 100 free templates to choose from. So if you're new to the software, you can pick one of their templates and make it very easy for you to get that landing page up and off the ground. Now, one of the main pros from Unbounce is they actually give you access to Unsplash, which is their free stock image gallery. So if you're looking for images for your landing pages or your funnels and you don't have any, and you don't particularly want to go search and then pay copyright for some, is you can get access to their free gallery and use their images, which is great. They also have a 94% positive review rating on GetApp. So I believe that is the highest out of all the ones that I've shared so far. Now, with the pros, there are also some cons. One of them being that Unbounce is typically tailored towards more enterprise size clients. So they're maybe not necessarily for the small business owner, the small coach, the small consultant. Now, they might say that they are, but looking at the feedback online, enterprise clients definitely seems to be the direction that they want to be going in. And some people have said that there's perhaps less features than the likes of ClickFunnels, and it's definitely a tool that's much harder to use, which would also suggest that they're going for more enterprise style clients than the small business owner that needs to just get a landing page and a funnel built and set up and ready to go quickly. Unbounce starts at $99 per month and also offers that 14-day free trial that ClickFunnels does. So very competitive on pricing there. Their next stage up is their enterprise one, which is $199 per month. But they say on the $99 per month that gives you everything that you need to build and optimize your pages. So if you're looking for a piece of landing page software, maybe you want to try a new tool, these are the 4 that I would suggest. Now they all seem to offer a free trial. They're all pretty competitive on their pricing. So what I suggest you do is go away, try each of them, maybe give a couple of days on each of them, see which one feels the best, see which one you think is going to be the best for you, because all the different tools are going to be better suited to different people. They all do pretty much the same thing, and it doesn't really matter at the end of the day, because a piece of software is a piece of software. You're not going to get better results because you use ClickFunnels against Unbounce, and you're not going to get better results because you used Instapage rather than lead pages. They're all going to be able to create the same pages. What's going to matter more is your business, your brand, the people that are coming to the page, the copy that you have on the page, not the software that you use to build the page. Now, the 2 tools that I've had the most experience with have been lead pages and ClickFunnels, and what I would say to differentiate those two is if you've got a smaller budget and you want to create something very simple, such as a 2-step landing page and thank you page, ClickFunnels might be the better option for you. If you want to create a multi-stage funnel, you've got a slightly bigger budget, or you want to actually sell things through your funnel, then ClickFunnels might be the better option for you. However, Instapage and Unbounce, both great tools as well. All of the 4 tools that I've spoken about are great. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to share it with someone that needs to see it, that needs to hear this goodness, because that makes me happy. And I'll be back next week with another episode. Please be sure to tune in, and I look forward to speaking to you then.